मतलब टॉपिक क्या है दूसरा वाला कि द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन हिस्ट्री एंड ज्योग्राफी. क्लियर? So if we are discussing about the relationship between history and geography, a famous historian and scholar whose name is Fernand Braudel, he has clearly mentioned that if you want to get the knowledge of history, you cannot get it without the knowledge of geography, right? Means if you wish to get the knowledge of history, you cannot get it without having the knowledge of geography. And I think that this is the most suitable statement which is given by any kind of historian or scholar. Why? Because if we are just taking as an example of ancient Indian history, right? So what we supposed to do and what we supposed to think that in Indian history, we got our first urbanization which has already taken the place in northwest part of India, right? But if we closely observe the geography of India, we found that the Gangetic plains are much more highly fertile in the comparison of northwest part. So the question comes like, why the first urbanization has occurred in northwest part? Why not Gangetic plains, right? But if we closely observe the historical and geographical perspective of that time, we found that the climate was not good and suitable in the Gangetic plains that can occur the first urbanization. And if we are thinking about and we are talking about the northwest part of India, it was a perfect geographical climate that can totally happen and that can totally support all kinds of climate and all kinds of facilities that can lead towards the first urbanization in India, right? Yes, so these things are responsible. So we can also connect that this is the proof and this is the example that the history which is